500,000 views. What does it mean? How do I feel? This is going to be the most transparent, realist video on my channel that you're going to see. Whether you watch to the end or not, I don't know.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like
Oh, this video is not going to be how you're going to get your next 1 million views on YouTube in the next 6 seconds.
1,000 subscribers in just 4 days. It is very simple and it is something everybody can do.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
This video is not that. This video is no hype. This video is not going to sauce your head up about how you can just SEO and you're going to go viral, because it really doesn't work like that. I don't have on any makeup. My hair is not done. And
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
I said it, yep. Are you going to click off the video because I said a little curse word, little baby curse word, when so many people are doing so much worse on YouTube?
The cast of The Apprentice is running the world. Trump, the daughter, Omarosa.
I hope you stay to the end of the video, but if you don't, if this is not your cup of tea,
I don't care.
or if this is not your Celsius, feel free to click off the video. I am a YouTube coach. If you don't know who I am, my name is Riva. I help people like you, small and emerging content creators, grow your audience, grow your business, grow your brand, and grow your mindset so that you can leave a legacy not only for yourself, but for generations after you. If something like this or a person like me resonates with a person like you, then do me a favor, please. Click the subscribe button, hit the like if you like what I'm saying. If you're picking up what I'm putting down or what I'm about to put down in this video, then let's connect. This video happens to be sponsored by Nexus Clips. More about them later on in the video, but for now, we're going to talk about why you should be on YouTube. Because we're chit-chatting, it's time to get real. It's time to get raw. YouTube is hard. And take it from a coach who also creates lots and lots of videos. You can check out my channel, some of which have gone viral and some of which have not. My job as a coach, as an authentic coach, as a transparent coach, as the realist Riva, is to keep it real with you. Let me tell you what's going to keep you from growing. You are. The main thing between the 97% of people who quit YouTube and you is your ability to stay the course. We should not be comparing ourselves to other YouTube content creators. It's easier said than done. But when we start comparing and competing and looking at our numbers compared to other people's numbers when they're not even in the same niche, then we become jaded, not knowing that every niche has its views that go up and down based off the topics and the people that's in those niches in the first place. Every niche is different. Every topic has its run. So why should we be comparing ourselves to bigger channels? I was guilty of this myself, knowing daggone well that I could not compete with Think Media, Marcus Jones, Dan the Creator, or these other super big channels in my niche. But that didn't stop me from looking at how many views they were getting, especially when I was doing research, because you know, you have to do research in your niche. So when I come up with topics, I find myself looking at bigger channels because I'm looking for outlier videos. I'm trying to look and see what's working out there, what people are looking for. And I can't help but to look at the numbers myself. Then I look at the numbers and then I start competing and comparing myself to those channels. And before you know it, I don't even want to make the video I had the desire to in the first place. But we all know that comparison is a thief of joy, and we're called here for a purpose. So why is it that we always allow the enemy to steal our vision? I don't know. I'll let that one marinate. Celsius, if you see me drinking, I'm trying not to be a broke YouTuber, so come through and sponsor your girl. Speaking of sponsors, here's a quick message from the sponsor of today's video, Nexus Clips. Doing shorts used to be super hard for me. It was always like it was a task. I used to upload shorts 3 times a week as part of my weekly regimen, and it was painful. Now when I do shorts, it's less like a chore and more like fun. I don't mind posting 3 to 4 to 5 shorts per week, and I do it with ease. It gives me options to choose from based off of information or based off of emotions. And guess what? It even gives me a virality score. What's a virality score? I'll tell you what that is. It is the potential for every one of my shorts to go viral. It's a no-brainer for me. It gives me a virality score based off of certain keywords and based off the titles of my video. It's pretty much hands off. All I have to do is choose what clips best fits my preference. It is a game changer and it is a breeze. And if you want to start saving yourself some time and some headache and some coins, I'm going to leave you a 10% discount code down in the description. Now, let's get into the video. All right, your girl is back. So why should we do YouTube in the first place? I tell you why. People are waiting to hear what only you can deliver. And if you're out here copying someone down to the T, copying word for word what they're saying on their videos and making your script a direct reflection of what they already said, why should someone come and watch your video? Now, I know that we should be stealing like an artist, like a Picasso, but stealing and cultivating and creating your own beautiful project, that's two different things. If you become inspired by someone else's video, even my video, it's your job to take it and to cultivate it and to create your own narrative. And the narrative is your voice, your words, and your spin on the same topic that I might be talking about in the video that inspired you in the first place. You know what I don't like about my niche, about the YouTube growth industry, is that everybody's preaching the same thing, the same way, with the same words, just on another video. You can literally take the same script and just replace the talking head, and it's the same words, just on another video. My question at the end of these videos that I see is, what new have you told me that I haven't seen in 10 other videos just like it? What kind of new knowledge or what kind of inspiration have you given me to craft my own video? That bothers me. And after having 500,000 views, this is my huge takeaway. Am I truly making impact? Am I making a difference in the lives of people around the world? I hope so. I think so. Here's what I have to offer you on this pinnacle moment of having 500,000 views, which is almost 1 million. Woo! Just be you. Be like me. Look, this outfit right here is going to be on another video on my other channel. I'm not changing clothes. This is the realest me. I want to be transparent. It is time out for all the glitz, the glam, and all the things that you're seeing that nobody really has time for nowadays, when people are out there just trying to truly survive and have a good word or a good laugh or be inspired or learn something new in order to get them through what? This life. This life. Not the hyped up glitzy glam that most of us can't cultivate, that we can't create. Either because we don't have time, we don't have energy, we don't have the resources, and we don't even want to have that type of life in the first place. It is time for us to start being real on these platforms and stop with all the bull crap, like straight up bull crap. I want to say this. What you can continue to get from me is authenticity, realness, rawness, truth, growth tips, how to expand, how to grow your business, your brand, your mindset, grow your legacies. That is what you're going to continue to get from me. So no, I didn't come with 5 tips on how to grow on YouTube or how you're going to get 1,000 subscribers in 20 minutes. I didn't come with any of that today. I came to you just being me and saying thank you. Thank you for 500,000 views today. Thank you for sticking with me along the way. And if you stick with me longer, we're all going to grow together. If you've been inspired, if you want to start your channel, if you need some help, make sure you connect with me down in the comment section. Moreover, make sure you connect with other people down in the comment section. We have a large, growing family of content creators right down in the comment sections. They have all kinds of channels that I'm sure you would be interested in. And if you want to continue to learn how to grow your channel, make sure you check out this video or this playlist that YouTube says that you should watch next so that you can continue to grow on your YouTube journey. I love you and goodbye.